Hello everyone and welcome to another PE from home activity. Today we're going to be learning how to juggle. So what I'm going to need you guys to do is go get 3 grocery bags. Find 3 grocery bags. If you guys are like me, sometimes we go to the grocery store, we forget our reusable bags, we got to use the plastic bags. And then what happens? We got a bag that's full of plastic grocery bags in a closet somewhere. So I got that. I found my 3 bags. We're right here. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a chance to go do that right now. Pause the video and go find those. All right, so you're probably back now, right? So I want you to take one of those grocery bags, just one, all right? And all we're gonna do, we're just gonna work on just catching it, just warm up real quick. And there's a couple cues that I want you to remember. It is toss up and claw down. Toss up, claw down, okay, just like a tiger. Now, in order for this to work correctly, what I want you to do is hold the bag upside down to start, just like a jellyfish. Like a jellyfish. See that? Hold it lightly with one hand, toss up, claw down. Toss up, claw down. Very good. Now we're going to practice crossing our midline of our body, okay, from one hand to the other. So when we juggle, it's important to go from one hand to the other. We need to be able to use both hands equally. So what I'm going to do, hold it like a jellyfish, nice and light in one hand, toss up, claw down with the other. Make sure I'm keeping my eyes on the bag. I'm always watching the bag. Okay, so with my left hand now, toss up, claw down. Toss up, claw down. Toss up, claw down. If you're having trouble with that, pause the video now. Give a couple more practice tries. Okay, very good. Now we're going to move on to 2 bags. So what I want you to do, put a bag in each hand, hold them lightly like a jellyfish. We're going to toss them both up at the same time and claw down to catch them at the same time. So ready? Toss, claw, toss, claw, toss, claw, toss, claw, just like that. And when I'm using 2, I can't really put my eyes on one bag in particular. So what I do is kind of look straight forward, and I use what's called my peripheral vision to kind of see both bags out of the corner of my eye. That helps me catch, and that's going to be really key as you're learning to juggle. Okay, so again, toss up, claw down, right? So that's pretty easy. Now we're going to shake it up a little bit. So when we were using the one bag, we were crossing the midline, right? Okay. Now we're going to do that with 2 bags. Okay. So what I'm going to do, toss, toss, claw, claw. Okay, I'm going to throw my bag in my right hand to my left and the one in the left to my right. So it's going to look like this. Toss, toss, claw, claw. 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 Okay, if you have trouble with that, pause the video, give a few more practice tries. Okay, so now that we've gotten a lot of practice with that and you're feeling more and more comfortable, now we're going to try to do it with 3 bags. We're going to actually try to juggle now. And there's a certain way we have to do it, right? So, what I want you to do, take 2 bags in one hand. One bag you hold between your index finger and your thumb. The other bag, okay, between your pinky and your ring finger. Okay, so I have 2 bags in one hand, and I just have one bag in the other. All right, and I'm just holding it between my pointer finger and my thumb. Right, so it's very important we remember to use our peripheral vision. Okay, and stay under control. Do not panic when the bags are up in the air. Remember what you have to do. Okay, toss up and claw down. Right? So, always start throwing with the hand that has 2 bags. Alright? That's what we're going to do first. So, this brown Hannaford bag I'm going to throw first. Alright? So, it's just going to look like this. Toss, toss, claw, claw. Toss, toss, claw, claw. Toss, toss, claw, claw. Toss, toss, claw, claw. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to slow it down a little bit, all right? Again, index finger and thumb between pinky and ring finger. This one, index finger and thumb, okay? I'm going to toss the first one up. Next one, next one. Always, there's always a bag in the air, okay? And again, I'm using my peripheral vision. I'm not looking at, ooh, I made a mistake. That's all right. Pick your bags up. Try it again. I'm not looking at any bag in particular. I'm just looking straight forward. I'm using that peripheral vision to see all the bags at once, okay? So, good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you get more and more comfortable, you can use a ball. Use tennis balls. A golf ball would be really tricky. But yeah, be creative. Find things that you might be able to juggle. And it's always good to practice with 3 grocery bags. So, hope you enjoy and good luck.